Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to your weekly devotional, and we're on week 40. And we're working in reading from The 100 Days of Grace and Gratitude, a devotional journal by Shauna Noel with Lisa Stillwell. So let's get into this. Whoops. Let's see, I need something to hold this open. Where are my clips when I need them? So, we're going to use a binder clip here and put it down here. Okay, here we go. You are priceless. When cleaning out a closet or an attic, a lot of time can be spent thinking about whether an item is worth keeping or if it's worth to throw it away. The more value or sentiment the piece has, the better the chance you keep it. Otherwise, it goes into the nearest thrift store or the trash. Isn't it wonderful that when God looks at you, He doesn't compare your worth with something else? That's because you already of the highest quality, because His grace, you are as priceless now as the day you came into existence. No one compares to you because you are the child of the King, a child of the King. You were fearfully and wonderfully made. Your value is exquisite, and that of royalty. To God, you are a keeper from now to eternity. Father, my worth isn't as important to anyone as much as it is to you. After all, you created me. Thank you for the gift of knowing I am cherished and loved. That concludes day 40. I will see you all next week for day 41. And please be blessed, be kind, be positive, be safe. And I will see you all next week for week 41. Bye-bye for now.